Think about the last time you were wowed by someone in business. Was it the way they commanded the room, or navigated difficult questions and personalities? Or was it simply the way they kept the conversation focused? If you're like many of us, gaining executive presence is key to career advancement. But how do we gain this skill quickly? The magic happens when you apply storytelling to business communications. It's the fastest way to gain executive presence in an authentic, relatable way. Our workshop, Crafting Strategic Visual Stories, will help you and your team turn insights and recommendations into audience-centric visual stories, cut through the noise, and quickly capture attention and drive people to act. You'll see firsthand how to influence decision-making, command the room, and up-level ideas for diverse audiences. We'll also teach you how to avoid getting derailed and give you a framework and common language to advance team communications. To ensure this behavior change, you'll transform your own business communication during class and receive peer and expert coaching, as well as ongoing reinforcement, tools, and checklists. Limited on time? No problem. We offer on-site, virtual, and digital training to fit your busy schedule. So let's ensure that you are that next person everyone is wowed by. Contact us today to learn more about getting your team trained.